welcome back to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you a quick and easy tres leches recipe that I found on Facebook. Actually, my niece found it and she shared it, and I was like, I have to try this. And she actually did it herself and she said it came out amazing, so I really wanted to give it a try. I will have everything linked in the description box below, like all the items that I got. And as you guys can see here, I am just taking this Sara Lee all butter pound cake and just poking a lot of holes in the actual pound cake. When I mean a lot, I mean a lot. I didn't do as much as I should have in this one, but my next one I will definitely poke a lot more holes because there's some areas that was a little bit dry, but it was all right because it still tasted super yummy. After you are done, all you have to do is combine all of the 3 milks into a bowl and mix it together, and it's as easy as that. With the milk, obviously it's not in a can, so what I did was use one of the cans, filled it up, and just poured it in the bowl, and then just keep on mixing until everything is nicely all mixed together and it's not so thick. That is all mixed up, I just poured it right over the pound cake. I did it slowly because I didn't want it to overflow, because you could see here that the pound cake is like soaking it all the milks, and that's what you want. But if you pour it too fast, you see how it's almost overflowing. So I just do it little by little until I am completely finished with the mixture of the milks. If you don't want it as moist, ew, gross, that's the gross word, moist. Anyways, I just wanted to put that in there. If you don't want it too moist, just put half the liquids, but if you really like it nice and wet like I do, just put it all in. Do is wrap it up in aluminum foil, put it in the fridge about 2 to 3 hours so that way it could soak into the pound cake, and then for the final few minutes just pop it in the freezer just to make sure it's actually nice and cold when you eat that tres leche, you know. So right here I wanted to make it nice and fancy, so I took some strawberries, I washed it first and then just cut it up in little slices. I took my whipped cream and put it all over the pound cake, and then you guys will see how it looks towards the end. This cake was so bomb. I know it's not like the traditional kind, but this is super quick and easy and super affordable. You guys would definitely enjoy it. It was so yummy, you guys. Ugh. I still have some more. Actually, Publix had 2 for 1 of the pound cake, so I ended up getting 1 for free. So of course I'm gonna make another one of these bad boys. Maybe add a different types of fruit. It doesn't have to be strawberries. It could be raspberries, cherries, or all 3. Do, you know, any fruit that you want, you could put it right on that pound cake. It tastes delicious.
You do that something to me. You do that something to my heart. I give up. You won't stop. Style, you see right through me. I don't wanna hide. No, I don't wanna hide. I won't let go. I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I say here we go. You do something to me.
So this is how it looks like all done, guys. This is so good. I swear, I kid you not. This is delicious and it was nice and moist. So anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, like, comment, share, all that fun good stuff to support my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I hope you guys are staying healthy and safe out there, and make sure to wash your hands, because that's what I was doing this whole process, but I did not show you because obviously washing your hands is washing your hands. But anyways, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I might be dreaming, you're stirring things up, my heart is beating. Oh, so I say here we go.